So we've got a F935 John Deere mower, and it has it says John Deere on it, but it is a Kubota, or I'm sorry, a Yanmar engine. It is a diesel. It's the injection pump and such as that. So we're mowing with it, and all of a sudden it went to running bad, knocking. We're cleaning the filter out. Everything looks good there. We've got plenty of fuel flow to the pump and all of that. So I thought we'd do a little troubleshooting with you, which of course I've already done it, but still, just to show you what we've got going on. So it does run bad. I was trying to show you the smoke coming out the tailpipe. It's got heavy black smoke. It's chugging, it's running bad. It's got a little bit of a fuel knock. It doesn't normally sound like that when it's running good, but it was running good, and all of a sudden it just went to running bad. So a little history on this. All last year we would have to start this up and let it idle for a little bit before it even have a throttle. It would idle like this, sound like this, and then it would smooth out and it was ready to go. And I made one trip around the house, and this is where we ended up, right here to this point. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull the injectors, which what we have to do first is pull the lines off of loosen the lines off of the injection pump, loosen the lines off the injector. I'm sorry about the video, I'm not real good at this. Take these lines completely off, don't separate them, but take them off. And we'll take the little return lines loose, the return rubbers through there in this return line, and these injectors simply screw out. Now I'm going to shut this off. Just looking at that right there. I'm going to shut the video off so I can clean this up so we don't get any dirt and debris go down in the head when I pull those injectors out. And what we've got going on with the black smoke, I suspect the injectors are spraying a fine pencil type straight shot of fuel in it instead of atomizing the fuel, and that'll make it smoke black. It's like it's over fueling, but it's not like it's got a choke end or anything. We've already counted out the intake system being completely restricted to that point as well, but also it was knocking, if you heard that. So let it run one more time. Plenty of smoke. Yeah, I even cut the key off and it continued to run. It's getting so much fuel spraying down in there. So I'm going to clean this up and start the removal process on the injectors.